Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company for another short. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my wonderful condiment chili. This is a chili that you'd put on a hot dog, hamburger, or even on nachos. So let's get started. We're going to get this chili started. I've got a large saucepan here that I've preheated a little bit, and I've got a pound of ground chuck here that I'm just going to brown up. I'm going to break this apart, and I'm also going to go ahead put my onions in there with it while we brown this. And as I'm browning this, I like to chop it up as we go because I'm ultimately going to want this ground beef to be very finely broken apart in here and no large clumps of it. And after I have that completely browned, I'm going to add a bottle of some of my favorite beer. You can pick whatever beer you like. Today I am using Rogue's Dead Guy, and I'm just going to stir that in. You have an option here also. You notice I did not drain my ground beef after I browned it. You can drain that if you like, or you can leave it in there if you like. So now we're going to add ketchup. I've got, well, I'll just give you the amounts of these ingredients in my video description. And after the ketchup, I've got some plain yellow mustard. And then I've got some apple cider vinegar. I've got chili powder. I've got salt. I've got sugar. And I've got some garlic powder as well. So I'm just going to take that. We're going to get that all incorporated. I've let this return to a simmer, so I'm going to back the heat down a bit. And I've been over medium-high heat up till this point, so I'm going to back the heat down, and we're going to let this simmer uncovered for a while because I want this to thicken up. It's a little runny, which is exactly where we want it to be. So we're going to let it simmer uncovered until we have a consistency that we like. So this might take, I don't know, it could take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how long you simmer. So just let it go, back the heat down, let it thicken up. I've been going about 30, maybe 40 minutes here, and I'm pretty happy with the consistency of this now. I like the way this sauce feels, and this is really about the perfect consistency because what I use this stuff on is going to be burgers and hot dogs mainly. This is also amazing on nachos. So what I'm going to do now is just turn my heat down as low as it'll go. And I'm going to put the lid on there, and I'm going to let that simmer for another hour or maybe even 2. I let this simmer for about another hour with the lid on, and that's about the consistency I'm looking for. This is perfect. So what I do from here is I just let this cool, and then I put them in, I put it in small containers because typically when I'm using this, I'm only getting enough chili together for either 2 hamburgers or 4 hot dogs, and it doesn't take much. So use the small containers, and this stuff reheats easily, and it's yet again one of those things that's better after it's been frozen, or it's better the next day. So guys, give this a try and let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.